Hello, this is Abraham from Class A Dent Repair. Check out these large dents on this 2018 Toyota Yaris. All of these are hail dents that I will be fixing 100% with paintless dent repair, keeping the factory paint. This video is sped up because there's a lot of dents on this vehicle, and I just want to show you the before. All of these dents will be fixed 100% with paintless dent repair. No painting, no bondo, no Carfax report. It will stay original. And in the next shot, I will show you the customer's reaction and the after for this repair. And as always, I guarantee a flawless repair on every vehicle. Hello, this is Abraham from Class A Dent Repair. Here's the after on this 2018, I think, Toyota Yaris that had some extreme hail damage. And here's the after. All fixed with paintless dent repair. No painting and no bondo. Kept factory and no Carfax report. So, ma'am, what do you think of that repair?
I think the repair is remarkable. I don't see any damage left over. It's an excellent job. I'm so happy with the job.
So who would you recommend for hail damage repair?
Abraham and Auto Hail Repair.
Class A Dent Repair, right?
Class A Dent Repair.
I
yes.
appreciate you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.